Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranjal and today we'll be learning about pictograms. Before we start learning about them, let me tell you, if you are anyone who's preparing for design entrance exam like NID NIFT uceed or any other design entrance exam in your country, I'll tell you my channel will be really helpful for you to study the foundation level and the basics of designing. So let's get into how to make pictogram, what are pictograms and all that. So what is a pictogram? A pictogram, as written here, is a stylized figurative drawing that is used to convey information of an analogical or a figurative nature directly to indicate an object or to express an idea. Pictograms can fulfill many functions. So this was very complicated, and now I'm going to tell you in simple terms. So what is it? It is a representation of what an idea is to be conveyed. If I want to tell you no spoken, this is an idea, this is a rule. So how do I show it to you without really writing it down in form of drawings, making them very simple and easy to understand? Okay, so this is what pictogram really means. To directly to indicate an object or to express an idea. So pictograms are really helpful for all people all over the world because if I don't know a language of a particular country, the pictograms will really help me to understand the basic rules and regulations and directions of a particular nation. So in airports, we basically see pictograms. What are the pictograms we see in an airport? This is flight number, what not to do in a particular flight, the restrooms, what is in which direction, etc. So to make a pictogram of your own or redesign an existing pictogram, there are things you should keep in mind. Those things are the pictograms should be two-dimensional. You cannot make a 3D drawing and making it a pictogram. Okay, pictogram is always two-dimensional. The pictogram should be simple and no details should be there, and it should not be complicated. That's an obvious one. The spelling here is wrong. Forgive me for that. Okay, should be simple and not detailed, and there should be no complications. Okay, so if I am to represent a sun with the proper shading, I'm not going to represent it like this strong. This will not be a pictogram. I'll represent it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With minimalistic drawing, we create a pictogram. Third thing is that a composition should be well balanced. The positive space and the negative space should be well balanced so that it represents a complete figure, indicates something which is fulfilled. Fourth is that only use 1 to 2 colors. Pictogram isn't drawing, it's just expression that is easy to understand. So we have to use compulsory 1 or 2 colors. Now, fifth point is you cannot make a hectagon or hexagon for a pictogram. You cannot use many shapes to make a pictogram. So basically, it should be a circle or a square. That's compulsory. Now you'll spot out that, yes, what if the traffic signals, like they have triangle for no parking, or even hexagons, hectagons, they have these various shapes. So take into consideration the traffic signals as an exception, please, for this moment. Okay, 6 is that pictograms should make sense. The shape we are drawing in pictogram should make some sense, okay? So if you're drawing a woman, you cannot just make a triangle here, can you? This will not make sense. You have to draw a circle for the head. So pictogramal shapes should represent what they really want to convey, or else it's not a pictogram and it's not really accepted as a pictogram. Now, I want you to understand some of these examples here. So this is a no smoking pictogram, and it is accepted all over the world. It is the universal sign for no smoking. It's placed in various places. You must have seen it in elevators or some public places, restaurants. They have this sign It's very attractive, and it tells you that you should not smoke. Then we have these signs for restroom. Okay, these signs are really very easy for you to understand that this side is man and this side is a woman. There's no confusion. It's very easy to grasp. The shapes are easy, and it's a universally accepted way of showing. Okay, and this is a person with wheelchair. This is a go to sleep zone in a hostel or things like that, sleeping area and such. This is an example of This was an example of a pictogram. Now let's learn about something more. Just let's eliminate stuff from here, okay? Here we go. Now I want to tell you, have you ever seen a green light, green and red color? What do they mean? So you must have seen in a traffic signal, you have these two colors, okay? Also in a mixer of things like a sandwich maker, you'll see that when the bread is not done, it will show you a red color, and when toaster it is done, it will show you green color. So basically, red color, as we already have studied, it denotes danger, and green color very well denotes like satisfaction or doneness. Okay, that it is done. Like so these two colors are really universally accepted colors to show two opposites like danger and not danger. So we basically see these colors in pictograms, or you simply see black or red, black and red, white and black, and some other colors depending on the place you see a pictogram. Okay, you will see a pictogram in a place like a hospital. Okay, so you'll see this pictogram of in a hospital. You'll see it in an elevator. What in an elevator is an up or down sign, or even the close and open side of a door. Okay, this is where you see a pictogram. And then we have a bell button in an elevator. There are various buttons in an elevator that are really good examples of pictogram. Okay, so you won't find a different elevators. They're usually the same. So this is how we understand the concept of pictogram. If you still have any doubt on what are pictograms and how do we really make a good pictogram, ask me in the comment below. And if you really like this video, do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and this video. Thank you for watching. And make sure if you're a designer, you are in the right place to learn design. Thank you.